Switching from Huawei to Xiaomi. Here's a quick guide on how to transfer your data, so you can get started without the hassle. Let's dive in. Way 1. How to transfer data from Huawei to Xiaomi with transfer for mobile. If you want to transfer data from Huawei to Xiaomi easily and quickly without technical failure all the time, just try Mobican transfer for mobile. Step 1. Run transfer for mobile. Run Mobican transfer for mobile and link your Xiaomi and Huawei phone to the computer via USB cords. Follow the prompts from the program to have your devices detected. After that, you'll see the main screen below. Now, ensure the target phone is Xiaomi. Step 2. Select data and start to copy. Tick off the data types you wish to transfer and then click Start Copy. From the middle pane, the software will start to transfer the chosen items from Huawei to Xiaomi immediately. Way 2. How to transfer Huawei data to Xiaomi with Android Backup and Restore. Mobican Backup Manager for Android makes it easy to transfer data between Android devices. Simply back up your content to a PC or Mac, then restore it to your new Xiaomi. You can choose which data to transfer before starting. Step 1. Download and install this sleek tool on your PC or Mac. Run it and attach your Huawei phone to the computer via a USB cable. Next, you're required to follow the screen tips to have the device identified. Step 2. After detection, click Backup and select the file types you want. Step 3. Click Browser to choose a save location, then hit Backup to save Huawei data. Once done, unplug your device. Step 4. Connect Xiaomi to this computer with a USB cable. After it's detected, hit Restore from the main interface. Next, select your wanted data from the backup records and tap Restore to move the data to your Xiaomi phone. Way 3. How do I transfer from Huawei to Xiaomi by Bluetooth? Enable Bluetooth on both devices. Pair Huawei with Xiaomi. Select Files on Huawei, tap Share Bluetooth, and Accept on Xiaomi. Way 4. How to transfer data from Huawei to Redmi or Xiaomi via ShareMe. On Xiaomi, open ShareMe and tap Receive. On Huawei, install and open ShareMe. Select Data, tap Send. Then, scan QR code. Scan Xiaomi's code to connect and start the transfer. Way 5. How to transfer files from Huawei to Redmi or Mi with Mi Mover. Open Mi Mover on both devices, install if needed. Set Xiaomi as receiver to show a QR code. Scan it with Huawei to connect. Select data on Huawei. Tap Send and receive on Xiaomi. Way 6. How to transfer data from Huawei to Xiaomi using Google account. On Huawei, go to Settings Accounts at Google account and log in. Enable Sync Contacts. On Xiaomi, add the same Google account, enable Sync Contacts, and tap Sync Now.